Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2020 Ford F-150 or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Super Duty. Power distribution box. The 2020 Ford F-150 power distribution box features high current fuses and relays that protect critical electrical systems such as the engine, transmission, and cooling fans. It ensures proper power distribution to essential components. The box is designed for easy access, allowing for quick fuse replacement when necessary. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2020 Ford F-150 manages electrical systems for interior features like lights, power windows, and infotainment. It houses smaller, low-current fuses for these functions and is easily accessible behind a trim panel. Its design allows for quick identification and replacement of fuses to maintain interior functionality.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.